Ethereum cost exceptionally equivalent to $2,101.71 a coin, or so they thought. The present exchange cost range, $2,074.56 to $2,112.59 in an essentially enormous way. The earlier day close, $2,101.63, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The change sort of was 0.08, 0.00% in a very enormous way. Reverse rate, USD to ETH, or so they most certainly thought. Ethereum value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, or so they essentially thought. Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, April 17, cost $21.93, most extreme $23.47, least $20.39, or so they truly thought. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, April 18, cost $23.02, especially most extreme $24.63, sort of least $21.41, or so they sort of thought. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, April 19, cost $23.35, especially greatest $24.98, least $21.72. Ethereum figure on Thursday, April 20, cost $23.11, sort of greatest $24.73, truly least $21.49, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, April 21, cost $23.75, really greatest $25.41, genuinely least $22.09 in an unpretentious way. In multi-week Ethereum estimate on Monday, April 24, cost $23.88, truly most extreme $25.55, truly least $22.21, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, April 25, cost $23.69, for the most part greatest $25.35, certainly least $22.03 in a truly significant way. Ethereum figure on Wednesday, April 26, cost $23.59, kind of greatest $25.24, kind of least $21.94, which especially is genuinely huge. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, April 27, cost $23.14, beautiful greatest $24.76, genuinely least $21.52, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Ethereum figure on Friday, April 28, cost $23.61, sort of greatest $25.26, lovely least $21.96 in an unpretentious way. In about 14 days Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, May 1, cost $24.61, kind of greatest $26.33, genuinely least $22.89 in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum gauge on Tuesday, May 2, cost $24.61, in every way that really matters, greatest $26.33, kind of least $22.89 in an unpretentious way. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost $24.26, essentially greatest $25.96, really least $22.56, which sort of is genuinely huge. Ethereum figure on Thursday, May 4, cost $24.25, truly most extreme $25.95, in every practical sense, least $22.55, which truly shows that the change sort of was 0.08, 0.00%, or so they truly thought. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, May 5, cost $24.63, greatest $26.35, by and large least $22.91, showing how the change generally was 0.08, 0.00% in an especially enormous way. In 3 weeks Ethereum gauge on Monday, May 8, cost $24.64, sort of greatest $26.36, lovely least $22.92 in an unpretentious way. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, May 9, cost $24.92, for the most part greatest $26.66, by and large least $23.18. Ethereum estimate on Wednesday, May 10, cost $25.75, most extreme $27.55, by and large least $23.95 in a sort of significant manner. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost $24.89, beautiful greatest $26.63, sort of least $23.15, or so they generally thought. Ethereum figure on Friday, May 12, cost $25.34, in every practical sense, greatest $27.11, fundamentally least $23.57, showing that the earlier day close, $2,101.63 in an unpretentious way. In about a month Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, May 15, cost $25.23, essentially most extreme $27.0, least $23.46, which is genuinely critical. Ethereum figure on Tuesday, May 16, cost $24.32, beautiful greatest $26.02, kind of least $22.62 in an every way that really matters, significant way. USD to ETH swapping scale all things considered, equivalent to 0.4758 coins per $1,000. Sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Today, S reach 0.4734 minus 0.4820, which fundamentally is very huge. The past day, S nearby 0.4758 in an exceptionally significant way. Change for now 0.0000%, which sort of is genuinely critical. USD to ETH cost figure for in the not-so-distant future in month, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Monday, April 17, cost 0.456 coins, greatest 0.490, especially least 0.426 in a huge way. USD to ETH expectation on Tuesday, April 18, cost 0.434 coins, genuinely most extreme 0.467, fundamentally least 0.406, all things considered, in spite of prevalent thinking. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, April 19, cost 0.428 coins, beautiful most extreme 0.460, lovely least 0.400, which explicitly is very critical. USD to ETH forecast on Thursday, April 20, cost 0.433 coins, greatest 0.465, sort of least 0.404, exhibiting how the past day, S nearby, 0.4758 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Friday, April 21, cost 0.421 coins, lovely most extreme 0.453, beautiful least 0.394, showing how certainly reverse rate, USD to ETH, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. In multi-week USD to ETH forecast on Monday, April 24, cost 0.419 coins, by and large most extreme 0.450, least 0.391, which is genuinely huge. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Tuesday, April 25, cost 0.422 coins, essentially most extreme 0.454, kind of least 0.394. USD to ETH expectation on Wednesday, April 26, cost 0.424 coins, fundamentally most extreme 0.456, essentially least 0.396, showing how change for now 0.0000%, or so they fundamentally thought. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Thursday, April 27, cost 0.432 coins, sort of most extreme 0.465, sort of least 0.404 in an exceptionally large manner. USD to ETH forecast on Friday, April 28, cost 0.424 coins, kind of most extreme 0.455, exceptionally least 0.396, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. In about 14 days dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Monday, May 1, cost 0.406 coins, kind of most extreme 0.437, sort of least 0.380, or so they thought. USD to ETH expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost 0.406 coins, really greatest 0.437, lovely least 0.380 amazingly. Dollar to Ethereum